Today, we'll be showing you how to change your LCD screen. Tools you'll need: a 2.5mm and 3mm Allen key. First, we'll loosen the two 3mm bolts on the LCD bracket using the 3mm Allen key. This will allow us to get a better angle to remove the LCD from the bracket. Locate the two 3mm bolts on the back side of the LCD and remove them using your 3mm Allen key. Follow the cables and disconnect the cable clips. Slide the clips sideways to open them and remove the cables. Next, we'll disconnect the LCD cables. Locate the Julia connectors and disconnect them. Use your thumb against the other hand to get better leverage. Disconnect them in one motion. Finally, we'll remove the control pad. Locate the single 2.5mm bolt and remove it using the 2.5mm Allen key. Pull the control pad bracket apart enough to remove it from the handlebar. We'll reattach the new LCD to the bracket by lining up the screen and reinserting the two 3mm bolts and tightening them using your 3mm Allen key. Attach the new control pad to the handlebars and secure it in place with the 2.5mm bolt using your 2.5mm Allen key. Next, we'll reattach the LCD cables. Line up the arrows located on each connector to help with the connector orientation. Press firmly to reconnect the cables. Be careful not to bend the internal pins as they are fragile. Repeat this process with the control pad. Insert the control pad wire along with other wires into the cable clips and close the clip. Repeat this process for the other cables to secure everything in place. Adjust the LCD and bracket to your preferred position and tighten the 3mm bolts using your 3mm Allen key. Finally, turn on your display by holding down the power button on the control pad. Your new display is now ready to use for your next ride. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support staff at Rize Bikes. Thanks for watching.